Today we'll study blend tool. It's most underrated tool in Adobe Illustrator, but it's amazing. Okay, you will see we will create amazing things by using this tool. Blend tool is used to blend shapes, right? If you have two shapes and you want to blend them, you can blend. It will not only blend the colors, but also it will blend the shapes. So I have here green circle, and here I have this yellow circle, for example. Now I will make it a little bit smaller, alright, like this. So select this green one and take this blend tool. So first click on this circle, then click on this. Now you will see how the big circle has been blended into small circle. Not only the shapes but also the color. Again I will do that. So if you have an shape, like I have rectangle, then I will create another shape which is circle, for example. Now I have two different shapes with two different colors. If you want to blend them, take blend tool and just click here and then click on this. Now you will see that has been blended. After blending, you can also change their shape and colors. Basically these are only two shapes, red and green, red circle and green square box, and between them there are blended steps. We can control that blended step as well. And this line between two objects is called spine, S-P-I-N-E, spine. Because spine has its own function as well, we'll see how it will work. First of all, if you want to change color after blending, you can. You need to take a direct selection tool, click outside, then select that object with direct selection tool. Now if you will change color, you will see it will change color of that object. Not only the color, if you click on this anchor and you want to change its shape, you can also change its shape look and it will follow the same shape look. Even you can work on corner widget. Same if you will select this circle, make sure circle is selected, then you can change color as well. Alright. Now if you want to change its size, then take a selection tool and then you can increase its size as well. So you can do live update after blending as well. If you want to change the spine, you can also change the spine direction as well. Direct selection tool and just click on this spine anchor point, then you can move it. Look, you can change its side. If you want to convert it into curve, then take this one anchor point tool and you can also change this line into curve like this. So you can control the spine as well and you can control the blending as well like this. Okay, we'll see what else option we do have in blending modes. You can blend many things. So many times we have like big circle becoming small circle, we can also make like this. So I have this big circle, I want like gradually it's just changing into small circle. Yes, you can do that. So how? Just take a blend tool and click here and here. So you see it's blended. Now I want to control the steps between these two shapes. How you can do that? Double click on this blend tool. When you double click on blend tool, you will get blend options. From here it specifies steps are 100. Okay, before it was like when you are doing it will be smooth color. It will blend with smooth color. Alright, then if you specify steps, and here I want only 3 steps between, now you will see you will get only 3. Alright, 3 circle between these two. Okay, you can also create color palette, alright, from this blending mode. How? Now if you want to create a color palette between two colors, easily you can create. How? Select this one and blend tool and click here and here. Now you will see, wow, it's amazing. So we have 3 color between 2 colors and they are variations of these 2 colors. Double click and you will get blend option. From here you can increase also number of steps between this. Now how to make it separate, how to add in color swatches. Alright, so that's what we are going to do next. So what do you need to do? For example, now it's done. So what I want to do, I want to make each circle separate. Now they are blended, they are joined. So you need to do, you can do from object, and here you have expand, you can use this option. so it will be expanded like this. Now the blending has been separated and you have individual circle. Then what you need to do, you have to ungroup. After ungroup, now you see all circles are separated, right? Now what do you want to do, you want to make a color palette, select all, okay, these colors, okay, and click on, in swatches, click here, new color group, click here and this blend colors, right, like this, and okay, save. Look, you have your own color palette in swatches. That's how you can also create color palette from blend tool. Okay, next what we can do, a lot of option we have. As I told you, it's underestimated tool, but it's a lot of amazing option. We have one line here, right, and I will copy it, alt and drag. Okay, so here I will change its color, so its color is red. I can also blend one line with another line. So take this blend tool from here, then click on this line and click on this line, you will see, so line will be blended. Now because I have specified number of items between two objects, then you need to double click, and here you can just specify 150 lines between two, so you will get 150 lines. As I told you, you can edit also after blending. Just go direct selection tool and click here, select that line, and you can change anywhere. If you will change the direction, you will see what amazing effect you are going to create. Look at here. You can also convert the spine into curve. Just select here and you can convert it. Look, so many are creating design which you want, people cannot copy easily. You can just play with it and you can create amazing effects. All right, you can also create 3D text effect with blend tool. Okay, for example, I will write text which is called 3D blending. So I have one here. I will change little bit bold font. I will take, for example, Arial black, right, this one. So here you will make one font, right, and another here, and make it little bit smaller, and just have a copy of it. I will tell you why we took it. All right, so here I have this color. So what I want to blend this one to this. Very easy. Select this one and take this blend option, click here and here. Now you have created 3D. Why I have taken this copy? Because I want to put it here. So you can just put, and you can change this color as well and bring it front because it's back into front like this. If you will change this color, look, you have created like this. Right. As I told you, you can change later also. Double click here. Oh, sorry. Take direct selection tool and select this one, then selection tool. Then you can resize it also like this. So it will be changeable. Right, if you want to change text, okay, you can change also text. Double click and you can write anything else. Right, so it's a live updating after you can do after blending. So it's amazing tool and you can use for a lot of options. So 3D text you can also create. We can create also many shapes. For example, I have this rectangle and I want to create many boxes inside. All right. So what I will do, you should have two. So I have this two. Okay. So what I want to do, I want to create many boxes. So select both and align them center and center. Right. Then take this big one and blend option and click here and here. You will see the big box will blend into small box. Now I want to separate them and I want to control number of steps. Double click here. And number of step I want 10 and click OK. Now you have 10 boxes with the like same color gradient. Now after this you have to make expand, go object and expand and OK, then ungroup. Ungroup. Now you have look a lot of same boxes you can use in your color and you can create amazing background. If you want to make for example separate frame. So after ungroup, all right, after ungroup, each box is separate, select all and from Pathfinder, here in Pathfinder, okay, here you can click on divide. So it will divide each frame individually, then ungroup. Now you have created frame. Look, here is amazing. So with little effort, you can create like amazing designs, like, because in your design there should be some creativity. So you can add creativity by using this one as well. We have also blend tool options. We'll see how we can use. If you go object menu, so here you have blend, and here we have blend options also. We'll see how we can use them. We have make blend, release blend option. We see how these option works. It's also easy. For example, if you have one circle here and I will make copy here. So if you will select both, all right, then go to object and blend. Okay, here you choose make blend, and you can remember also shortcut key or Control B, you can do blend. All right, next object, and then you have blend, and release mean it will break like this. You can also release blending, and spine is there as well. You can do also this one. Next, what we can do, next what option we have, next option in blend we have blend option. We have studied this one already. Go here and you can number of steps, smooth color. You can also preview, it will color in smooth. You can also specify steps. You need 20 steps, and preview, so it will give you. Then you can do that as well. Next you have object and blend. Next option you have expand. We already studied this object and expand. From here you can do also expand now, and here all are expanded. Do ungroup. Now you have each circle separated. Undo, Control Z. Next we have very amazing command which is called object blend, and this one replace spine. This is important one. For example, I will do undo because you need to see the spine. Now the spine is straight, right? So if you will make any spine from pen tool like this, okay, and here this is the spine like line. What do you want? You want to change this spine, this straight spine, you want to change with this curve. Easy, select both and go to object and blend and replace spine. So it will replace from there to there. Alright, now you can also change the size of this. Click outside and then take selection tool and shift and alt and just look at there. So you can control size as well. Alright, next option we have object blend, and here we have reverse spine. It will reverse the direction like this. Alright, you can also reverse spine. Then you can change also the order. We have reverse front and back. Okay, you can change also front and back. If this circle is front, it will become back. So you can choose also this one. Okay, so it's amazing thing. You can use blend tool and you can create a lot of things. And also if you want to write something in the blending, you can also work on that. For example, I will choose this one, and I will write, for example, like this. And so this is one, I wrote it one symbol. So I want to use this one. Okay, write just simple one. I will take pen tool and just create like this and this and this. Okay, here we have M, and what I want to use different blend option here. So one circle is there, and make sure don't use outline, only use colors. Then copy this circle here, alt and drag copy, then alt and drag copy here, alt and drag, and alt and drag. Right, then just change their colors like this, then change here like this, and other colors, and this one. Now what I want to do, I want to blend them. So take this blend tool option, click this circle, then click here, then click here, and here and here. Look at, if you double click, you can just change steps, 100 steps between each. Alright, so it will change the steps. Select this one, double click, and here 10, and I want 100. Click preview, yes, it's fine. Look at there. Again, if you want to change the spine, you can also change direct selection tool. You can just modify later also like this. Like this. It's done. Okay. In many videos in YouTube, they are just also applying one effect to create a roughness. So for example, you created this one. Here we have one effect. Go to here, and here we have distort and chop, and here you have roughen. If you click here, so you can also, like, you can add this one. So it will like furs, right? Look, right? So if you want to do, but your system should be high specification. Look, so you can add this effects also after blending. Look, So you can create this amazing effect as well with blend option. Right? So a lot of option to make your design creative. Okay. For example, I will, one option more is remaining. With curve tool, I will make one line, for example, like this. All right. So only outline I will make this one. Okay, and 0.5, and I will just copy here, and I will rotate it direction, right, like this, and change its color to any red color. Now blend it. Take blend tool and click here and here. So look, it will be blended. Look. Double click and change steps 100 and click OK. Look at there. All right, it's amazing. Look. Then again, you can change color. Just select this one shape and change any color from here. Look at there. Right? So many things, many creative things you can create with this. And even if you will just move it, you can also change it after as well. Look, right? So many things you can create with blend tool.